Good morning! Today is the boat show day. I am on my way in right now. I'm gonna actually go help the ladies at the UGO booth. I got my UGO on and I'm super excited. Oh my gosh, there's so many more sailboats this year than there was last year. And do some of you remember that last year at the boat show was the day that I bought my boat? It's my boat anniversary! Woo-hoo!
Have your pocket? Madam, have your pocketbook open, please?
Perfect. Yeah, I just want to make sure that everybody's bag is
Here she comes! Yay! So, Melanie just got me into the boat show. I'm gonna help promote their cool gear today, and she was telling me all about some of the new stuff they have going on. Be ready for like information overload today.
nice. Thank you, Lisa.
You come into the last little tent. We're right at the first corner. Oh my god, these ladies are so freaking awesome, and as you know, I love my UGO. I'm gonna get me a blue one. What do you think about this color, guys? I think I'm getting an upgrade from a black one. Whoop whoop. Oh my gosh, you guys, they just hooked me up. Check out my new blue UGO. I got all my things moved in. It's a little less crowded in the new version. And now I can be totally waterproof because I accidentally cracked my old one. Whoops. If you are a boater like me or go on the water, then I want to let you know that these ladies did give me a discount code to use. If you put in the code BOXEDGE at ugowear.com, I think you save, it's like $25 on a regular UGO, so that's a pretty big chunk off of it, and it saved my phone many times, especially since I don't have insurance or anything like that. It is a lifesaver, so I'll put a snap next with the link and the code, but yeah, use that and let me know, send me snaps whenever you get yours, okay? It's time for lunch. Gonna try to be a little better. Yum. No pizza today. We're gonna go with the seafood medley. Mmm. Mmm. Wow. I'm so hungry. Oh, can you get it to bust?
See the bubbles?
Yeah. Now push it to where it pops. I feel like I'm in the splash zone right now.
Oh my. Wow.
Where is it coming out of? Wow. Yeah. And for those of you who use plastic baggies, this is now why we realize this is valuable. All right. I'm very excited. There's so many sailboats this year. Yes. Check it out. You can see my boat down there. There's my boat. I don't even know which one I want to go on. There's so many. I think I found my dream boat. Look at this gigantic catamaran behind me. It is the color of my soul. It's fucking ginormous. I say that not lightly. That has to be like, I don't even know, 75 foot or something. Oh my god. And it has matching paddle boards. Holy crap! Whew. Oh my goodness, guys. I am sorry I did not get a chance to take more snaps of more boats today. My phone died by the time I actually left the UGO booth. And I only got a couple of snaps of some of the sailboats that I went and looked at. But the good news is I'm going back on Saturday for the cruiser party after the boat show. So Saturday afternoon, I think a few of you are actually going to join me walking around and checking out all the goodies, and hopefully I will have my phone charged up so that I can actually take tons of video of all of the badassery going on, because oh my god, a couple of the boats that I looked at this afternoon were like so gorgeous that they're making me question my decision to move back to land. Darn it! Ugh. But I had a blast, so I'm glad that I went regardless. Good afternoon. I made it to the boat show. I'm walking down the main aisle right now, and my battery is charged, so I'm going to show you some of the stuff. There's my neighborhood. Look at the big, huge boat is going out. And check out this like pink motor. Oh, it's too bright. You guys, this is like my dream boat if it had a sail. It's a Leopard 51, I think. Oh my gosh. Look, it doesn't even have a tramp, but that's so much space for like yoga and stuff. Ah! It's gonna be an awesome sunset. I am ready for the sunset.
On your list, or if you just happen to walk into the Golden Diamond Source and find the perfect gift or something that you need to have for yourself, turn around, use those gift cards.
Okay, I am on a Catalina right now, I believe. I already forgot, and I'm about to go down below, show you what it looks like. Oh, look at these little steps. They're so different. I like the sink and that little seat for the just ran into Brendan and Sarah and all their crew, and now I'm so excited because we're gonna go on a lagoon. This one does have a tramp. Oh, look at those windows. So nice windows.
This lagoon I was a leopard and I spent time on, but I spent 10 days.
Oh, I like this little outdoor area better. This is what I love about a catamaran. You can see all the way around, and it's not like a cave. Oh, here's the kitchen. Oh, you're good. Look at that nap station. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is like an owner's version. Nice. Check this out. You have a desk with a bookshelf, your giant ass bed to one side, and your giant ass head to the other side. Nice. This is nice.
The line used.
Oh, whoa.
They're down to 160 new.
Alright, we're gonna look at this Oceanus 41.
Well, I will tell you that. I'm gonna tell you what I told my daughter.
On that 52
When
Party!
it helped me purchase the boat, I will let you have whatever bed you like.
on that 52 foot,
Look at the like mirror in the back. That makes it feel bigger.
Go next
I
door.
like how this V-berth has like windows on both sides and a mirror, and then check out these doors.
This one is like, this
Like,
one's not.
That's cool.
Yeah, so you can do a 3-2, and then the dinette will.
You guys, look at this magnificent moonrise. We'll make it. The free beer.
We'll make it.
Alfred's here.
Alfred's here.
He sells
I'm talking to someone.
villages or something. And then there's Sarah. I don't remember where everyone else is. Hey. Russell's here. Sarah.